powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, I'm looking at two Weber Grills, the Q1000 and the Summit S-460. Massive price difference, right?
Yeah, the Q1000 is around $229, while the Summit S-460 is a whopping $2,349.99. What are you planning to use the grill for?
Well, that's the thing. I need something for camping and quick backyard cookouts, but also something that can handle bigger parties.
Okay, so the Q1000 is super portable. It only weighs 27.5 pounds and runs on disposable propane cylinders. It's got one burner putting out 8,500 BTUs, heating up 189 square inches of cooking space.
Right, that sounds good for smaller stuff. What about the Summit?
The Summit S-460 is a beast. It's a built-in grill, so not portable at all. But it's got 4 stainless steel burners cranking out 48,800 BTUs, plus a sear burner, a smoker burner with a smoker box, and even a rotisserie burner. The total cooking area is 580 square inches.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So the Summit is for serious grilling.
Exactly. It's got all the bells and whistles. Stainless steel grates, flavorizer bars, even a handle light. Think gourmet grilling for a crowd. The Q1000 is more basic, with porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
Okay, so portability versus power and features. What about the size?
The Q1000 is compact, about 16.5 inches deep, 27 inches wide, and 14.5 inches high. The Summit is much bigger, at 31 inches deep, 34 inches wide, and 51 inches high. It's designed to be built into an outdoor kitchen.
I'm leaning towards the Q1000 for now. Seems perfect for my camping trips and smaller gatherings. But maybe someday I'll upgrade to a Summit.
Makes sense. The Q1000 is a great little grill, and you can always add accessories like a griddle. The Summit is an investment and needs a dedicated space, but it's a grilling powerhouse.
Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.